Consider this scenario. A town has an initial population of 65,000. It grows at a constant rate of 4,500 per year for 5 years. Find the linear function that models the town's population p as a function of the year t, where t is the number of years since the model began. So the first thing we need to do is identify what is the input and what is the output. Well, it tells us here that the input represents t years and the output p of t is population. So that means that our linear model is going to be p of t, which is equal to m times t plus b. Now let's take a look at the first sentence up here. It tells us that the initial population, or the town has an initial population of 6,500. So the initial population then means that initial being 0 and the output is 65,000. So that means that this represents the y-intercept, or b. Okay, now the next part of the sentence says it grows at a constant rate of 4,500 per year for 5 years. So the constant rate is considered the slope. And that means that it's increasing or growing 4,500 per 1 year, which means our slope is 4,500. So therefore, we know what our slope represents. We know that our slope represents m, which is 4,500. And we know that our y-intercept is 65,000. So now what we can do is just go ahead and fill in our model. So that means that p of t is going to equal the slope, which is 4,500 times t, plus the y-intercept, which is 65,000.